Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix TikTok Shop deactivated or banned. I'm so sorry to hear that your TikTok Shop account has been deactivated or banned, so I'm just going to show you how you can fix that. So if it has been deactivated or banned, and you have to contact the help center, so we're just going to click on help. At the top right corner of your screen, click on Help Center. So in here, I'm going to say to deactivate my seller. Okay, yeah, how can I deactivate or delete? Okay, I have to deactivate my, okay, no, we're gonna say okay. So now you have these options here. How do I appeal for my account to be reinstated? So how do I choose activate my shipping options? That's not it. So how do I appeal for my account to be reinstated? So click on that. So gonna wait for this to open up. So here we go. Accounts that consistently violate community guidelines will be banned from TikTok. And if your account has been banned, you receive a ban notification when you next open the app. Inform you of this account change. To submit an appeal, open the notification, tap appeal, and follow the instructions provided. So if you believe your account was banned incorrectly, let us know by submitting an appeal deadline of 90 calendar days. Now, open the notification, tap appeal, and follow the instructions provided. So it means if your account has been banned, here's just what you can do. Open the notification in your TikTok app. So once you open the notification, you're going to see the appeal button. Click on appeal and follow through with the on-screen prompts right there to, submit the appeal, and you're definitely going to get back to you. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.